Why don't seniors wear salt and pepper wigs to the dinner table? Because they get tired of people asking them to pass their hair. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on salt and pepper wigs for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right color blend. Salt and pepper wigs come in various blends ranging from predominantly white or grey to almost black. Therefore, it's essential to select a color blend that matches your natural hair or augments your complexion. You might want a wig that is totally grey, or one with more black or white strands. Your decision should ultimately increase your confidence in your appearance. Tip 2. Select the material carefully. The two main materials used to make wigs are synthetic fibers and human hair. For seniors, it can be better to opt for human hair as it feels more natural. However, synthetic wigs can also look very realistic today, and they require less maintenance, which can be a plus point for seniors. Tip 3. Consider the style. Some seniors may prefer short, manageable wigs, while others may want longer, more stylized ones. A wavy or curly wig might also provide more volume and flair, if that's what you're looking for. The style should meet your personality and lifestyle needs. Tip 4. Get the right size. No matter how beautiful the wig is, it must fit perfectly onto your head. Take accurate measurements of your head before buying a wig to ensure that it fits snugly and comfortably. A poorly fitting wig can be uncomfortable and may look unnatural. Tip 5. Consider adjustable wigs. As a senior, you may find that your head size or shape changes due to different factors such as weight loss. That's why adjustable wigs are an excellent option, as they allow you to adjust the size to your liking or need. Tip 6. Maintenance matters. Regardless of whether your wig is made of synthetic or natural human hair, maintaining it is essential. Wigs need to be cleaned regularly to prevent buildup of oils and dirt. For seniors, low-maintenance wigs might be a more practical choice given health or mobility constraints. Tip 7. Invest in a wig stand. A wig stand not only helps maintain the wig's shape, but also makes it easier for you to put it on and take it off. For seniors, this can ease the process of wearing a wig, making it a more enjoyable experience. Tip 8. Learn to wear it properly. Knowing how to wear your wig accurately is very crucial. Make sure that all your natural hair is neatly tucked in under the wig. Wear a wig cap if necessary. Also ensure that the wig aligns with your natural hairline. Tip 9. Experiment before finalizing. It's a good idea to try on several wigs before finalizing. Look at yourself from all angles and ask for opinions from others. This can ensure you pick something that you truly feel good in. Tip 10. Think about your wardrobe. Your wig is part of your overall look, so it's important that it matches your wardrobe. If you favor more conservative attire, then a more traditional, understated wig might be best. If you dress more fashionably, then a trendier wig could be a good choice. Tip 11. Comfort before style. While trying different wigs, you might come across some exceptionally styled pieces. However, it is crucial to keep in mind that comfort is paramount. As a senior, you want a wig that doesn't feel tight, itchy, or hot. Above all, your chosen wig should be something that you can wear with ease and confidence.